guys, all right, so I've been slacking all day because I went with JoJo and the little crazies, and I didn't get a chance to do what I wanted to do in the house today. So it's now about 9 o'clock and I am about to do what I'm about to do. You want to see? I'm pretty excited about this because I'm going to show you first what I'm going to do, where I got the idea from, and how much it costs. And if you want to do this too, it's gonna be really, really simple and a lot less money than where I saw them. I'm trying to fix my stand. Let's try to be a little professional, Melissa. Please, please. Just one day of your life, just try to be professional. All right, so I just moved into this house and I was looking for decorations, and so I started going on Amazon. And when I went on Amazon to look for picture frames, I saw some and they were nice, but I was like, oh heck no, we ain't paying that much money, girl. This is what I saw. Okay, and I thought that was really cute, but do you see that price? I was like, $46.99 plus $1.99 shipping. You must be out of your mind. I can find it a lot cheaper. So I just kept it in the back of my mind, and I was like, let me just be on the lookout, because you can go to the dollar store and buy a bunch of frames. Okay, so one day I was at Family Dollar and I found this box of frames that was 12 bucks. It came with a whole bunch of different size frames, and then I was like, okay, so I'm trying to like replicate it because I thought it would go really good with the theme of my living room, which is gray. So I got all the white and then I got the black, so it's a little bit different than the actual picture. And then I was at Walmart and I saw the letters. I was like, damn, they didn't have all my letters. So I was like, okay, well, I want to get this started. So I went to the sticker aisle and I found me some stickers. Girl, yes. So right now I'm about to show you. I'm pretty proud of myself, okay, for putting this together. Oh, and then I had to print my pictures. Now you can go to CVS, any kind of store, Walmart, to get your pictures printed. You can go do it right from your phone and then pick them up there, but I wanted to get it done that day. That was my project of the day. So I went home, I had some ink in my printer, and I started printing my pictures with my Epson print app, which goes right from my phone to my printer. So that was good. So I sat there one day and I was like, that's what I'm doing. So I'm about to show you, I'm gonna hang it up and I'm gonna show you how I got my version of this $48.99 picture frame wall art thing for basically 20 bucks. So I cut it in half. Basically, it was gonna be 50 bucks. So I did it for less than half the price, 20 bucks, okay? So let's go, let's start. And I was debating on where I should put these pictures, and I'm really thinking right behind my couch. So we gonna do that. We gonna do that right now. Okay, and of course I'll do more, but for right now, okay.
All always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me.
It's hot in my room. So you don't make you see. I look so serious in this picture. Jeez.
That's a long time ago.
This is when you knew I like ponytails. Like, love ponytails.
Lol.
I have like a ponytail in every single one of these pictures that
I think I want to change. I have this. I think I want this here instead.
Yeah, that's like pretty pretty. Pretty, that's not even a word.
I like that, because that and that.
Okay, let me show you mine.
Except for now. That's all she wrote.
Good job.
Alright guys, so that's all she wrote. And here's the final product. Move, lady. I have to buy some stuff. I feel like something needs to go there, but this is basically it. I have to buy some type of tape to make them all stay straight because I'm not feeling that. But anyway, that was my version. I picked all my favorite pictures. This is one of my favorite here. This is my kids, all my kids. Lelo, Angie, Tony, and these are their two cousins, Kilo's brother's kids. I just love that. I had them do that. I just love it. Those are good memories. Here is a tree. You probably can't really tell because I made it like artsy, but here's a tree. And I doubled up the photo, but if you could see, if you look close, right there, it says M and K. We used to go hiking. And there's an area where you're supposed to take a left at the tree, and so we wrote our names. Here's one of my favorite pictures of Angie. Look at how crazy with her first candy apple. Here's my baby's graduation. That's actually one of my thumbnails. And here's Angie when she was younger. Good old days. But look with optimism to the future. Travel often. You guys can read that. So that's what she did, guys. I think I have way more pictures, but under $20. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to put in the comments below some helpful suggestions, because I mean, I like it, but I think I have way more pictures than that picture, but whatever. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. And by the way, I think I accomplished this candle, huh? I think I did. I think she did. Did she do it? Did she do it, guys? Did she do it? I think she did. Okay, so I'll catch you on the flip side. I'm about to drink this coffee right here that Kilo just came home with, and yeah, I finished cleaning up the house. Bye-bye.